Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathematics Shortcut Techniques. Here I am going to talk something regarding important of the examinations purpose, which is the most crucial thing that if you don't have any practice habit or your concentration in low in mathematical subjects or in mathematics, so you will get the 50 percentile or less than 50 percentile in your subject. As because if you want to score high in the mathematics as well as your quantitative aptitude in the competitive examinations, you should always think about that when you are going to practice, you should remember everything whatever you are going to solve the previous mathematics. Okay, and at the night when you are going to sleep, you should remember those formula. Okay, what I am telling you again, I am repeating that I am in repeat that when you are going to sleep at night, you should remember those formula whatever you are doing in your practice on day. Okay, and always remember that those things are most important for the crucial to score 100 as well as to get 100 percentile in mathematics, is because it is very tough. You know the he or she can get 99 out of 100, but 100 getting 100 out of 100 is very tough, as because for that more sincerity and more intellectual ability as well as the more security for the mathematics is required. Okay, so you know that for sincerity and the ability to get 100, the most important thing you have to practice first, and then you should able to catch the mathematics when you are seeing the mathematics in your question, because you will get an unknown question in your problem or your problem set as well as your question paper. Okay, so first of all, when that is the problem of the question set, because paper setters are very intellectual and they are knowing those things very well of last 10 to 15 years or 20, more than 25 years they are setting the question papers. Okay, so don't think that they doesn't know anything, but you know everything about that. But thing is this, that when you are going to solve this type of problem, first you will get zero, as because your accuracy is the most important thing in your to solve the mathematical problem as well as the mathematical shortcuts methods. As because when you are going to solve your accurate problem, accurate thinking means suppose a simple example I am giving, that suppose you get a formula of a minus b square. Okay, you wrote a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is totally wrong, as because a square minus 2ab plus b square is the right answer. So if you are when you are thinking about that, yes, I am I know everything and I can solve every problem, but that is the most important thing. When you are overconfidence is the most less thing to score less in your mathematics. Okay, so don't be overconfident in the subject of mathematics, and you should practice high, and your intellectual ability, concentration as well as your accuracy percentile is so high, so that you can get 100 out of 100 or 100 percentile in the mathematical subjects or the quantitative aptitudes. And you know that percentile of the mathematics subject as well as your percentage of your mathematics in your joint entrance examination will be doubled. Okay, you know that whatever you have the marks in physics and chemistry plus your 2 into mathematical subjects, mathematical whatever subject is there, and whatever you scored. Okay, and you will get your rank. Okay, so it is so important thing that your accuracy will be so high, so that you can get 100. Otherwise you can your, and you will get your puzzled answer in the multiple choice questions, as because abcd will be options and b d will be none of this, and abc will be closed answer. Okay, so you have to choose from those, otherwise you can't do anything, and you have to click your computer. So that computer based test, within 60 minutes or 120 minutes you have to complete those questions. For the same, you have to fast, and you have to attempt more than 90 or more than 100 or more than 95 number of questions, percentage number of questions, as well as if you score 100 out of 100, for the same you have to solve all the questions in the joint entrance examination as well as your competitive examinations, so that you can get 100 percentile or out of 100 out of 100. So the four things you also always remember, that when you are going to sleep at night, you should remember all formulas of mathematics. And one thing you don't forget to get, you if you have any forget ability, you should write those things. And one thing you can paste your board, that yes, I am going to forget this type of things, I am writing in this way, so that you can always remember when you are moving your in your study room, that yes, I am going to remember. Second thing is your ability to do the mathematics. For the same, you have to practice your mathematics. Fourth things is the accuracy. You should have a accuracy of 100%, so that you can get 100%, and otherwise you can't get us, because I have given so many information regarding mathematics in this channel. For the same, you have to subscribe to this channel. And fourth thing is the mathematical shortcut techniques. For the same, I am here to solve this type of problem, or this type of easiest way, whatever I am seeing and whatever I am going to solve this type of problem. I have given so many videos regarding the mathematics, that yes, you can solve this type of problem in this way, as because I have given so many information of minimum and maximum value without applying differential calculus, as well as I am all applied here that only arithmetic mean greater than is equal to geometric mean greater than is equal to harmonic mean, this formula, so that you can get your answer within a second. Okay, you don't invest more than 5 minutes time in any mathematics. Okay, you know that I have given the already all tricks, mathematical tricks. And you should also remember that when you are going to solve the tricky problems, you can remember that it is a tricky or it is a non-tricky problem. That's because if you have a high practice level, so that you can understand this is a tricky problem and this is a non-tricky problem, and you will get most of the questions of the examinations, that's the whether it is a tricky or whether it is a formula based question. As because they are not, they are not giving the questions, or they will not give you examinations questions. Whatever you will get in your examinations, that there is a big calculations are there. Don't forget about the big calculations things. You should apply the trigonometrical formula to algebra, and algebraic formula to trigonometry, trigonometrical formula to calculus, calculus to trigonometry, and calculus to algebra. Okay, so that you will be your time will be consumed, and you will be benefited further, and you will be get more than 100 percentile or more, score more, or 100 out of 100 in your examinations, and your percentile will be high in your competitive examinations. Okay, so you know that when you are thinking positively, and you should have your shortcut techniques. For the same, I am here, and I have solved so many problems regarding algebra, trigonometry, geometry, as well as the coordinate geometry. So please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you will be notified further regarding the applications of my mathematical shortcuts methods, whatever I am saying, which is the most important thing, and you know that is required for your examinations all. Thank you. Best of luck for your examinations. Thank you.